सब लोग. I am Sonali and I make videos, content on beauty, health, lifestyle, etc. If you're coming first time on my channel, please do consider subscribing and do not forget to like and share. So guys, today's video is gonna be super exciting. I am totally excited to make this video. I think and I hope you can see changes in my look today. Today's video will be on my lens review, and this is the first time I'm using any sort of lenses on my eyes. So I recently bought lenses from Aqua Lens, which is from Lenskart. I bought it from Lenskart, but the brand name is Aqua Lens, and I bought one pair of lenses for me. I was not really sure कि वो मुझ पर मेरी आंखों पर कैसे लगेगा because I have jet black eyes, but then still I went ahead and took it a chance and bought one pair of lenses for my eyes in color Mystery Hazel. So these guys on Aqua Lens, they have multiple and beautiful shades, variety of shades available on their website. You can check those out on the Aqua Lens website. Also, they would give you best offers if you are doing it on the first time, purchasing it for the first time. And in case you want to check it out on the Lenskart website, you can go ahead and do that also. You will see the complete variety of colored lenses as well as the zero power lenses. And the important thing which I found really impressive is that these guys have variety of lenses to the colored thing as well. So if you guys have some power going on in your eyes, you can definitely go and check these out. These are super light, fine lenses. So you can see the, eyes. My eyes are, I don't know how to express this, but I'm super happy. I have not tried any sort of lenses. Till yet I have not used any kind of lenses on my eyes, and I can't express the feeling. So since it was my first time, I thought I should buy it from a verified eye store, and that's why I chose Lenskart, and there I found these lenses. So I'll quickly tell you what all I got in my lens packet. I have opened the lens box, but I have received my lenses in a box like this. It had an outer covering which I've already removed, and then I had two small packages in which the lenses were there. Then I have this Aqua Lens Comfort Solution. This is a moisturizing effect solution, the lens solution basically. This I have got free. Yes guys, this I have got free with the lenses. The lenses were pricing, I think, $299 for one eye. That is one eye, it costs rupees $299 for a monthly lens. So these guys are variety of lenses. Those are into disposable one-day lenses also. There are monthly lenses also, and there are yearly lenses also. So I chose monthly because it can actually run up to 30 days, and you can use these lenses up to 12 to 15 times in a particular month of buying, and you can easily carry these lenses up to 12 to 14 hours a day, and these are super light. You don't feel like you're carrying something in your eye. It's not very dense. The vision is very clear, and I don't see much difference in my eyes without the lenses and with the lenses on. And the look, obviously I love the look guys. My eyes have become bigger than usual because my eyes are little small. I have a hoodie kind of high shape, and my eyes are pretty small, and obviously I work on continuous gadgets like laptops, mobile phones every day. So I'm really loving this look guys, and how it has turned out. I'm loving this look. So coming back to the solution which I have got with the packet, this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is what the solution looks like. So I think this quantity is very much adequate for a person like me who is not a regular user of lenses. और ये मेरा बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला है. I'm so really happy that I've got it as a free thing with the packaging. And then one more thing I have got with this packet. This is the lens case guys. It is so cute, very cute, and this is the lens case which I've got absolutely free with this solution. I would like to share quick do's and don'ts before wearing the lenses guys should actually take care of. So the first thing, you should always wash your hands thoroughly like with soap, and आपके हाथ बिल्कुल clean होने चाहिए जब भी आप कोई lenses use करने जा रहे हैं. And to use the lenses, you have to take out the lenses from the packet, and then you have to actually put the lenses on your palm area, and you have to put the lens solution on the palm area. You have to clean the lenses for any other residue which might be left behind on the lenses while packaging or so. Then you have to clean the lenses, and you do not have to clean the lenses into a circular motion, because that might tear off your lenses. You always have to clean it in the upwards direction and then the horizontal or vertical direction, whichever you might feel comfortable with. And then you have to gently take the lenses using this finger from your palm area. You have to place it on the back side of your hand, and taking it from using this finger, you have to take it like this, and you have to place it in your eye. That's how you will actually place the lenses. You will have to notice the curve of the lenses, because it might happen that you may end up placing the other side into your eye, which might cause irritation or some kind of discomfort in your eyes. So you have to really be cautious about the curve. I will place a picture on the screen in case you want to see the actual curve size, how it actually looks like. While removing the lenses, you have to actually use only these two fingers. You have to gently pinch in the lenses. You have to remove the lenses and directly put it into the lens case with the lens solution, and then you have to really clean your eyes with clean water. You have to wash your face, clean your eyes with water, and then relax your eyes for some time. In case you are having some kind of discomfort while wearing, or after wearing you are getting redness, some kind of allergy, or you have more teary eyes, I would recommend please immediately take off the lenses and consult the doctor as soon as possible. So these are some quick do's and don'ts which you actually have to remember and ensure while putting up and taking out the lenses. So guys, I'm back, and you can see I have absolutely no makeup going on my face. I am sitting without any makeup. I have not applied anything on my face right now. और यही चीज़ मैं आपको भी सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि आप अपना मेकअप जो है हमेशा लेंस लगाने के बाद करें. So always use any sort of makeup if you wish to. You should always use the makeup after putting on the lenses. This is why, because लेंस लगाने के बाद जनरली आपकी जो आईज हैं वो टेरी हो जाती हैं, and that might ruin your makeup completely. Because if you're carrying any kind of foundation, concealer, any kind of base on your face, if you use like heavy eyeshadows, liners and all those things, it will completely ruin that. वो सब कुछ खराब हो जाएगा. And that is why guys, it is always suggested that use the lens before doing the makeup, and then you can put on a lot of makeup you wish to. So guys, let's quickly start with the procedure of applying the lenses. I don't know how to react right now because I'm super excited, and yet at the same time I'm very nervous. I have not tried the lenses ever in my life. I do not have power also, and let's see how it actually results into. So I have washed my hands, guys. You can see I have washed them thoroughly like with soap, and now I'm gonna take my first lens. This is how it looks like. You can see this clearly. I'll give all the links in the description box below. If you might want to purchase them, you can definitely take a try on that. I bought this color Mystery Hazel, if you guys can see this. However, I'll post this picture somewhere on the screen. This is how the lens actually looks like. I'll give it a closer look to you guys. You can see that color. This is so beautiful. So guys, I'm carrying these two Q-tips with me and this cotton sheet just in case I have a lot of water coming out of my eyes. So let's see how it actually results out to be. So guys, after a lot of deliberation and persistency, I have actually put on the lenses in my left eye. I hope you can see the difference between my both of the eyes. Frankly, it gives a little bit of painful feeling, but then after 2 or 3 seconds, when you actually blink your eyes like 2 to 3 times and look right, left and then down, the lens settled itself into the eye. I'm feeling pretty okay. It's been 2 to 3 minutes now. The lens is on my eye, and I think there's no discomfort or any harsh feeling. in my eye. My eye is looking pretty, you guys. I can't tell you, I'm so happy. So here I am. So guys, I'll try and show you how to put the second lens in my right eye. Now I will open it and place it on the palm of my hand with the solution, the lens solution, and I'll rinse the lens thoroughly with the solution. The lens itself has come with the solution inside it, and I will quickly take this lens on the palm of my hand. I'll put some drops of the lens solution first on my hand, and then I'll gently pick up the lens from this case and I'll put it on the palm of my hands. See, these are very delicate, guys. I mean, these are very thin and very delicate to actually handle. So guys, please handle it with care. So you have to rinse this lens on the palm of your hand. You have to wash this lens, and I now use this finger of mine and I'll take this lens like this and I'll place it on the above back side of my hand, and then just to make sure that the curve is right, and I will take this lens on my this finger like this, and I will open up my eye and I'll put this lens inside. This is a very normal thing that the tears generally comes out of your eye once you are putting any sort of lenses on the eyes, and you need not fear about this. But yes, if you are getting more tears, like it is the eye has become red, or it is more painful, or it has more become more teary, look out for a doctor and visit the doctor immediately. You can actually take out all the extra water using this Q-tip like this, and it's super easy. So guys, you can see I have put on both the lenses in my eyes now, and this is the look. You can see the look. My eyes have become actually bigger in size. That's what I have really noticed, and I have actually put on the lenses first in this eye, and it has been 5 to 10 minutes the lens is now on my eye, but I'm not getting any kind of discomfort or any kind of redness or any kind of, you know, allergy sort of a thing, or more tears are coming in, nothing like that. And I have just put on this lens. It has been 2 to 3 minutes I've put on this lens right now. You can see the color, the texture of my eye. So this is how the Mystery Hazel will actually look on black-eyed people. So guys, if you have black eyes, you can actually go for this. I really like this color, and so yeah, I am actually having the lens on my eyes now, and this is the first time I'm using, and I'm definitely very satisfied with Aqualens, and I'm really gonna purchase more colors in this. I am actually going to buy my husband also new pairs of lenses, because I also want him to try once. He has also never tried the lenses yet on his eyes, and I'm definitely going ahead and buying the spicy grey shade for him. That is an absolutely beauty shade, guys. You do go and check out on the Aqualens website, or you can do check out on the Lenskart website also. So guys, that was all for my today's video. I hope you really liked the video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ शेयर कर देना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ, रिलेटिव्स के साथ. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification so that you may get notification once I put any new video. Guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and be safe. Bye bye.